Now, as you're working through the examples in this section of the tutorial, you want to test for yourself the sample code covered here. Essentially, all the code involves manipulating text objects either placed on the stage by hand with the Flash text tool or text objects created at runtime using ActionScript. So my examples in this section fall into two groups. The first involves a manipulation of a text field object without creating the object explicitly. You can see examples of that here in the test HTML, test_HTML images, dynamic text here. Now the second group of example code consists of a class definition that is intended to be used as the document class for the SWF file. So in these examples, the text objects are created by the example code. So you don't actually need to create the text objects separately. For example, text_scroll has nothing on the stage here, no text objects. Those are going to be created by a external .as file that has the class definitions there that will set up the text for you. For example, if I do test movie here, you can see that there is the text field and the text inside of it. Now to test the code in this first group, you'll create an empty Flash document, select a keyframe in the timeline there. Using the text tool, you'll create a dynamic text field on the stage. Name that text field, and then in the Actions panel, you'll copy the code right into the Actions panel. And then test the script using the Control Test Movie menu option. The second type of example code consists, as I mentioned, of a class. Let's go ahead and open up that file for text scroll. Here is that external ActionScript file called text scroll example. Notice that I've declared my package, and here is my custom class text scroll example. So in this case, you'll create an empty Flash document, save it to your computer, generate a new ActionScript file, and save it to the same directory as the Flash document. The name of the file must match the name of the class in the code listing. For example, if the code listing defines a class named TextFieldTest, use the same TextFieldTest.as file in your folder. Save it, in other words, as TextFieldTest.as in this case. The name of my custom class is TextScrollExample, so that's the name of my ActionScript file. Copy the code that I'm presenting into this ActionScript file and then save the file. In the Flash document, you want to select Window, Properties. Let's go back here. Select Properties right here, and then include in this class definition right here the name of your custom class. In this case, it's going to be TextScrollExample, matching my ActionScript file. And then simply run the program by doing Control Test Movie, and the script should execute, and you should see your text here with all the changes and formatting options that you specified in your ActionScript.